Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm very excited this new collection of LV that will be launching January 2026. This is from the Lunar New Year collection. So first we have the all-in BB. So we have the SKU here, guys. So as you can see, these are the details. So this is the interior. It comes with, of course, a mini monogram detachable pouch, and the leather strap is fully detachable. I love the padlock design. Then we have, of course, this very beautiful never full inside out BB, still from the Lunar New Year collection. So the main material is monogram canvas with red cowhide leather trims. It comes with adjustable and detachable canvas strap. Then of course it comes with leather pochette, as we could see here, that you could also wear individually. Next on the collection is this very beautiful side trunk. So please take a screenshot of the SKU. So the material of this one is the calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. So as you can see, it has the very gorgeous red colorway with gold hardware. It comes of course with detachable top handle and detachable leather strap, and it comes with the Lunar New Year design, like the padlock on the S-lock closure. Then it also, next on the, we have the capucines mini east-west. So as you can see, classic east-west capucines design, but it has the Lunar New Year design, which is the detachable clochette with the padlock detail. I really do love this fiery red colorway. So this is how you are going to attach the chain shoulder strap that it comes with. Next on the collection, so we have this very gorgeous Vivienne display figurine. So if you are a collector, then definitely this is a must-have. I love, of course, the design of this one. The materials are wood. It comes with metal parts with cowhide leather trims. I love the epi leather material at the flower design of Vivienne. Then it comes, of course, with the Louis Vuitton shopping bag, which is so cute. Then we have the LV horse storage box. So for this one, kindly take note of the SKU. So definitely this is the interior. So it's made of wood, enamel, and metal parts. Size is 8 centimeters by 15.5 centimeters by 15.5 centimeters. That's length, width, and height. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so now let us discuss another new collection of LV launching January 2026. We have the Louis Vuitton Confetti collection. First, we have the side trunk PM 4,700 USD. So they do have the same colorway with the Lunar New Year collection, but the difference of this one, as you can see, it comes with detachable chain plus charms. How gorgeous is this detail? I believe you could also wear this one on different bags, maybe use this as an accessories. So this one, we have the capucines mini. So we have the SKU here. So this is the interior. The material, of course, of this one is in the Tyrolean leather in the colorway red. So as you can see, it comes, of course, with detachable chain strap. Then, of course, it comes with the confetti chain detail as well. Just like with this noir colorway, we have the Capucines BB. So now we have the price of 7,500 USD. So guys, how are you liking the confetti detail? So I love that you can fully detach it. So for example, you don't want to attach the design, then definitely you could take it off. But of course, if you want a little bit more fancy, then definitely wear it with the confetti chain charm. Just like with this very beautiful Capucines MM. OMG, the colorway of this one is hazelnut. Price of the Capucines MM is 8,050 USD. So chic, so gorgeous, and of course, the material is in Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims. Then as you can see, it comes with detachable chain charms, and of course, it comes with detachable shoulder strap as well. Then we have the slim trunk in the noir colorway. So we have the SKU here, still part of the Louis Vuitton Confetti collection. So I believe the detachable chain charm, guys, how gorgeous it would be if, for example, you could wear it as a necklace, maybe just add, you know, something that would lengthen the chain, or perhaps you could wear it as a bracelet as well. Next, guys, so as you can see, so side trunk PM. This one, the price is 4,700 USD. Material calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is chalk. How gorgeous the colorway with the contrast of the gold hardware. It comes with the classic side trunk design, leather top handle, detachable leather strap, but it comes with the confetti charm. Then we have the pochette métis. Price of this one is 1,680 USD. So as you can see, monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. This is the close-up of one of the detachable chain charm. This is the interior. So perhaps I could see there's a loop. So perhaps you could attach something on this one, and then you could also wear this one maybe as a shoulder bag. So next, guys, we are going to discuss the continuation of the Sweet Escape collection that I have published from our previous vlog. First, we have the Sarah wallet. So this one, SKU is M27740. So as discussed, the material is ampat leather with cowhide leather trim. So the colorway of the Sarah wallet is in white and vert jade. Next on the SLG, this one, guys, beautiful, gorgeous. Victorine wallet. Price is 1,010 USD. Same material of the ampat leather with cowhide leather trims, and it comes with same colorway in white and jade green. So you have seen the interior. I love the zippered pocket. I love the multiple card inserts, and I love the size of this one. Definitely would fit the mini bags that I have in my collection. So the Victorine wallet would come in the white peach colorway as well. So the price is the same, 1,010 USD. So this is the interior. So as you can see, perhaps you could insert 3 to 4 credit cards, and of course it has the zippered pocket. So this is another look. Oh, I'm sorry, so 6 credit cards in total. Next, guys, we have the Lisa wallet. So Lisa wallet price is 905 USD. We have the SKU here. So this one, guys, the colorway is the milky white and blue. So someone commented if, for example, the white on this one would turn into yellow. So guys, unfortunately, I could not give a direct response to that one because, of course, as you know, if it would age, then definitely maybe we could not help it. The white would turn a little bit yellowish. But then again, guys, please don't quote me on that one. Maybe it would all depend on the usage of your ampat leather. So next we have the Zippy wallet. Price is 1,450 USD. Very beautiful milky white and blue colorway. So it's a full zip wallet. So again, price is a little bit expensive at 1,450 USD. Another beautiful wallet, the Claire wallet. So price of this one, as you can see, we don't have, but please do take a screenshot of the SK. So this is the interior. So the colorway of this one is milky white and blue. So it's a little bit, you know, like coin pouch. What do you think of this one, of this SLG? I love, the best would be the Victorine wallet. So another colorway of the Claire wallet, we have the milky white and peach. So as you can see, it's a zippered coin pouch perhaps. Do you have this one, guys? So maybe if you're going to snap, okay, so that is where you could insert your credit cards. So which do you prefer, guys, among the SLGs from the Sweet Escape collection that I have discussed? Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @RamiraPie2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.